Alright guys, so what is up? Happy Monday and welcome to another Monday Reset. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is AJH. You guys can call me AJ, call me dude on the internet, whatever you guys want to call me. So today's video is going to be a little different. It's hard to explain. But anyways, today's Monday Reset is about timing and taking its time during things. Life, there's a lot of time in life, but you also don't want it to be wasted at the same time. So for example, a couple of waste of times that I personally have is going out and drinking and partying every weekend. Sometimes there's people that do it every night, and I don't know how people can do that. For someone that is in this space, I see a lot of people do that and then they complain that they're not where they want to be. And I kind of wonder why. Like, why do you think that? Like, it's crazy that you don't see what you're doing wrong. So in all honesty, I do go out with my friends. Like, we don't go out and we party all the time or something like that. We actually go out and we sit down, we talk, we chat, we talk about life and stuff like that. You want to be surrounded by people that want you to succeed, or it's a waste of time. You don't want to waste your time in what you're doing. So say you have a passion in, let's say, for example, hairstyling. You need your practice, right? So don't waste your times on the weekends, partying, having fun, drinking. Actually put thought into it and think about what you want to do for your life. Yes, you're young, but you also want to set yourself up right now for your future. Because if you do it now, you got nothing to worry about in the future. You learn stuff new every single day. Now today's Monday Reset is actually inspired by what happened to me recently, which was being partnered by G Fuel Energy, code AJH, by the way. Sorry, I had to plug it. But not only that, there was another thing that happened with my significant other the other day that I had to talk to her about and help her out with. And it was because there's so much stress about things and her goals are really big and I respect it. And then some days, she wastes her time doing something else. And I had to tell her, honey, you can't be doing that every weekend. You can't. It's okay to say no. That's really what you gotta focus on. You gotta say no to the right people, or not the right people. You want to say yes to the right people. For one, you want to say no to the bad people that you don't want to be around. You want to say yes to the right people, because the people you're surrounded with will actually make you feel appreciated, want you to succeed. When I announced that, I'm partnered with G Fuel, all my friends went and used my code, and I cannot thank them enough. They know since high school that it's been a dream of mine, and they know what it took. They know what it takes, because I've expressed that to them before, multiple times in the past. So to see that the grind has finally paid off, I still feel like there's more to it. That's where time comes in. Time will take its time. You're just gonna have to go through it day by day. So my advice to all the content creators out there that struggle with what they're doing, pretty much what you got to do is just stop going out all the time. Stop wasting your time. If you have time to edit or even make a video, create a video, do it. It's not like you can't post through your phone. I post through this, but if you have this in your pocket at all times, don't be doing this. Stop wasting your time doing this and this and this and this. Just scrolling all day. Don't do that. Just literally sitting on your phone all day is a waste of time. Yes, I know taking in content helps you a little bit, but it doesn't help you as much when it's pointless content. So dances, TikTok filled with dances. What? No reason to that at all. But if you're like me, I like watching content that inspires me. So when I watch somebody that, wants other people to succeed, it inspires me to make these type of videos to want to help others succeed as well. So it's kind of like a triangle in a way, kind of like a circular motion, and it all ties in with who you're around, who your friends are, where they want you to be in the future, where you want your friends to be in the future. It all just comes full circle, literally like a clock. full circle. It's crazy. I'm blowing my mind by myself. That is wild. And if you guys do enjoy these type of videos, I post them every Monday, called the Monday Reset for a reason. So I post them every Monday. So make sure to hit that sub button because I would not want you guys to miss out. And make sure to hit the notification bell just in case you miss out because, again, I don't want you to miss out. Anyways, guys, it's been real. That took a lot out of me and that actually motivated me. I motivated myself. That's crazy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.